Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Women are going crazy for this cream as it makes you look 10 years younger in just 4 days. In today's video, we will offer you an amazing cream that will help you to get glowing skin and restore your youth. It will make your skin spotless and you will look 10 years younger in only 4 days. Here's how to prepare this incredible formula. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 tablespoon of honey, 3 tablespoons of boiled rice. Preparation: boil the rice in the water first, then drain it and mash it with the honey and milk. Now stir well to mix everything and your facial mask is ready. Before applying it on your face, wash it with water well and apply a thin layer of the cream. Leave it to work for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water and pat your face dry. Repeat the process every day for a few weeks and your wrinkles and dark spots will disappear. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.